Good evening. My name is Rachel Fletcher, and I am answering the prompt to assignment number 8 in the course. We were supposed to answer what our established goals were, essential questions, desired understandings, and our objectives, or what the student will be able to do after the lesson. I am a 7th grade science teacher, so my lesson is going to be a 7th grade science lesson. And we are currently going over the law of conservation of energy and energy transfer in ecosystems and living organisms. So my established goal is that students will be able to independently use their learning to create a problem and then use their resources to solve that problem. My essential question is that the students would know how matter is transformed into energy in an organism. So starting as matter and then transferring matter into energy in an organism. The things that I want my students to be able to do is that they would be able to illustrate the transformation of energy within an organism, which is actually seeming to be a complicated topic for 7th graders currently, because we are going over this now in class, so it seems to be kind of a complicated topic. They understand they understand the basis of it, but they don't understand the concept, so it's kind of interesting. We've talked about cellular respiration and photosynthesis, and how matter can change into energy through chemical processes, but they know what cellular respiration is, but I don't think that they really truly understand the concept, so I'm working on that still. And then my desired understandings is that the students will be able to know that there's a relationship between the law of conservation of energy, or that the law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created or destroyed, it only changes forms. And what I want my students to be able to do at the very end of the lesson is be able to model the transfer of energy in their everyday life. And so that's what I'm currently working on, is getting them to understand that energy transfers take place in their everyday life, even because they're a living organism. So energy transfer takes place when they eat food, when they wake up in the morning, when they do everything they experience energy transfers. So that's what's currently going on in my class. Let me make sure that I answered all the questions. Yes. Oh, the desired understanding. So my desired understanding for my students is that they will, like I said, know that energy cannot be created or destroyed. I also want them to know that the sun is the ultimate source of energy, and that's where all the plants are getting the energy from, and I think that they do understand that. And then that they would understand that all energy falls in 2 different types, potential and kinetic. So that is my response to assignment number 8. I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I will talk to you all soon. Goodbye.